Good morning, children. Welcome to online classes. Today we will continue with our fourth chapter subtraction. Okay. Now we will solve today exercise number 4.5, which is in page number 45. First question is MCQ. Okay. So we will solve and find the correct answer. Number first is the value of. We have to find the value of 2000. Sorry. Minus 180 plus 1000 is. You have to find the value of this question. Before starting the question, I want to explain you some rules. Okay, in maths this rule is very important. Okay, this means BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. B means bracket, O means of, it is also a sign of multiplication. D is for division. M means multiplication. A means addition and S means subtraction. Okay. Now, in this kind of question, when we are solving these kind of question, here only two sign is there for you. Okay. Addition and subtraction. So first we will add and then we will subtract. Okay. First we will find the numbers which we have to add and then we will subtract. Okay. So here this is plus sign, this is, you have to add these two numbers. Okay. So 2000 plus 1000 is 3000. Okay. Then you have to subtract 180 from 3000. You have to subtract 180 from 3000. When we will subtract, what answer we will get? 0 minus 0 is 0. From 0 we can't subtract 8, so we have to take carry from here. It will become 2, this will become 9 and this will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 1 is 8 and here 2. So what is our answer? Our answer is 2820, which is given in option number C. So you will take 2820. Okay. So in this way you have to solve the question. Whenever you are solving these type of question, always follow this rule. Okay. This you will solve in your earlier classes. These two is important. First you will add and then you will subtract. Okay. Now moving on to number 2. First one is clear. Now number 2 is, question number 2 is 29 minus 990 plus 271 plus 2990. Okay, in this question only one is of subtraction. You have to subtract only one number. Rest of all number is of addition. So you will add this number first. 29 plus 271 plus 2990. First you will add. Okay. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 17, 18, 19, 9, carry 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 11, 12, 2, carry 1, 3. What answer we got? 3290. Then what is left? You have to subtract 990. So you will subtract this 990. 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 9 is 0. 2 minus 9 is not possible, so you have to take carry from here. It will become 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. Below 2, nothing is there. So what is your answer of number 2? 2300. Okay, which is given in option number A. So you will take option number A. 2300 you will take. Okay. Now moving on to question number 3. See what is your question number 3. Number 3 is 7000 minus 1059 minus 2341 plus 56. Okay, so first we will add these, we will add and this. Okay, 7000 plus 56. What is answer? 0 plus 6 6, 0 plus 5 5. Below 0 0 is where? 7. 7056. Now these two you have to subtract. First we will subtract this number, okay? 7056 minus 1059. Subtract this. From 6 9 we can't subtract, so we will take carry from here. It will become 4. This will become 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 4 minus 5 is not possible. Again we have to take carry from here. This will become 6, 9 and 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 6 minus 1 is 5. So what we got? 5997. Then again we have to subtract this number. Minus 2341. 7 minus 1 is 6. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. So what is our answer? 3656, which is given in option number 3656, option number D. So you will tick option number D. Okay. Then next question is question number 4. This is a word problem question. There were 2300 people in a function. Number 4th MCQ. Number 4. There were 2300 people. 2300 people are there. Okay. After some time, 800 people left the function. Left means they gone from the function. First we will solve till here. Okay. 0 minus 0 0. 0 we can't subtract 5. So we have to take carry from here. This will become 10 minus 5 5. 2 minus 8 is also not possible. So 12 minus 8 is 4 and here 1. Till here we have solved. Okay. 850 people left the function and then 1060 people joined the function. Join means we have to add. Okay. 1060 people join the function. Then we have to add this. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 6, 11, 1, carry 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 1 plus 1 is 2. So what the number of people present in the function was finally how many people were present? See, these were the total students, total people. 850 left means you have to subtract. We have subtracted this much, we got the answer. And then after 850 people left the function, 1060 people joined again. Join means we have to add. So finally we got our answer. Our answer is 2510, which is given in option number C. So you will tick the option 2510, option number C. Now number 5th. On subtracting, what is question number 5th? Number 5 is on subtracting the sum of, we have to find the sum of this number 6040 plus 2160. What we have to do is on subtracting the sum of these two numbers from the greatest 4-digit number. First we have to add this. Okay, find the sum of this. 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 6 is 10, 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 plus 2 is 8. So after adding we got this much answer. Okay, then what is the next question? You have to subtract this from greatest 4-digit number. As you people know, what is our greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. We have to subtract this number, 8200. So what we got, we have to find the answer. 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1. So what answer we got? 1799. This is given in option number B. 1799 is option number B. So you have to tick that option. Okay. Now number 6. A number given is 5100. Let's solve. Number 6. A number is given 5100. Okay, first it is decreased. Decreased means decreasing order means you have to subtract. Decreased by 900, it is decreased by 900. Decrease means you have to subtract, increase means you have to add. Okay, so there first we will subtract this. 1 minus 9 is not possible, again we have to take carry from here. So what we got 4200. Okay, on subtracting this, then it is increased by 1250. Then this number got increased by 1250. So what number you got, that you have to find it out. What number we got after when it is increased by 1250? We got 5450, which is given in option number D. So you will tick the option number D. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is solve the following. By using that BODMAS rule, we have to solve the following. Okay. What is question number 2? Question number 2 is solve. First, 35 minus 40 plus 48. Before starting the exercise, I have told you have to add first and then you have to subtract. So first we will find the adding numbers. This we have to add and this we have to add. So solution is, you have to add this 35 plus 48. 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 carry 1. 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 1 8. 83 we got. Then what we have to subtract? 40. So we will subtract 40 from this number. 83. 3 minus 0 3. 8 minus 4 is 4. So what answer we got? Our answer is equals to 43. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 340 plus 480 minus 275 minus 25. First we will add. These two numbers we have to add because their plus sign is given, and these two numbers we have to subtract. Okay. First we will add these two numbers. So 340 plus 480. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 carry 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. We got 820. Okay. Then we will subtract first number. We will subtract this. What we got? 0 minus 5 is not possible. We will take carry from here. 10 minus 5 is 5. 1 minus 7 is not possible. Again we have to take carry from here. 11 minus 7 is 4. 7 minus 2 is 5. What we got again? 545. One number more is left. Again you will subtract this. 545 minus 25. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. Below 5 no number is there, so we will write 5. So finally what answer we got? Answer is 520 after solving all the questions. Okay. What is our answer? Our answer is 520. First you will add these two numbers. Whatever the answer you got, then you will subtract one number. Then again subtraction sign is given. Then again you will subtract. Finally you got your answer. Okay. Then question number 3. Third number of question number 2. What is number 3? Number 3 is 2444 minus 580 plus 980 minus 2000. Okay. First you will find the addition number. Here no sign is given, so this is plus and this is plus. Here subtraction is given, so you have to subtract. Here also subtraction is given, so you have to subtract. First we will add these two numbers. Okay, our solution is, first we will add these two numbers. 2444 plus 980. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 4 14. 4 carry 1. 3. What we answer got? 3424. Okay. Then we have to subtract. First we will subtract 580. 3424 minus 580. 4. 2 minus 8 is not possible. Again we have to take carry from here. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 5 is also not possible. Again we will take carry from here. 13 minus 5 is 8. Below 2 no number is there. So 2844. This subtraction we have done. One more subtraction is there. So we will carry forward this number. Okay. Here this is like this. Then 2844 minus 2000. 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 8 minus 0 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So finally what is our answer? Our answer is 844. Okay. Like this we have to solve. Okay. Then question number 4. What is our question number 4? Number 4 is 5423 minus 2788 minus 4325 plus 4270. Okay. First we will solve the addition one. First we will solve the addition part. Okay. This and this is addition one. So we will solve first. 5423 plus 4270. First we will add these numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 4 is 9. So after adding these two numbers we got this number. Okay. Then we have to subtract. First we will subtract this number. 9693 minus 2788. 3 minus 8 is not possible. So again we will take carry from here. This will become 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. 8 minus 8 0. 6 minus 7 is not possible. So 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is 9. 8 minus 2 is 6. So again one number is left. So again one number we have to subtract. We will carry forward this number. 6905 minus 4325. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we have to take carry from here. This will become 8. This will become 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. So finally what we got our answer? Our answer is 2580. Okay. Now moving on to our question number next. Next is number 5. What is question number 5? Number 5 is 3402 plus 2455 minus 3744 minus 2455 plus 2550. Okay. Now first we will find the addition part. This is addition, this is addition, and this is addition. First we will add these three numbers, then we will subtract these two numbers. Okay. So first we will add 3402 plus 2455 plus 2550. We will add these numbers. 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 plus 5 10 0. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 5 10 14 4. Carry 1. 3 plus 3 6 7 8. After adding the numbers we got 8407. Then first number we will subtract. Okay, we will carry forward this number. 8407 minus 3744. First we will subtract this number, this one. 7 minus 4 is 3. 0 minus 4 is not possible. Again we will take carry from here. This will become 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 3 minus 7 is not possible, so we have to take carry from here. 13 minus 7. What is 13 minus 7 is 6. 7 minus 3 is 4. Again we will take this number because one number is left out. Okay, 4663 minus 2455. 3 minus 5 is not possible, so we will take carry from here. 13 minus 5 is 8. 5 minus 5 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So what is our answer? Our answer is 2208. Okay. Now next question is question number 6. What is number 6? Question number 6 is 2890 plus 4550 minus 3748 plus 28 minus 2850. Same process again we will find the addition one. This is addition, and this is addition. These two is we have to subtract. First we will solve the addition part. Okay, 2890 plus 4550 plus 28. First we will add 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 6 carry 1, 9, 10, 14, 4 carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, then we will subtract this number. First we will take carry here. 7468 minus 3748. First we will subtract this number. 8 minus 8 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6, 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then again we will take carry here. 3720. Which number is left out? Minus 2850. 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 5 is not possible. So we will take carry from here. This will become 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. 6 minus 8 again not possible. So again we have to take carry from here. 16 minus 8 is 8. 2 minus 2 is 0. So what is our answer? Our answer is 8070. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 2 completed. Only 4 questions left that you will try to solve. Okay. Now we will solve question number 3. What is question number 3? Question number 3 is what should be subtracted from the sum of? What should be subtracted from the sum of? I am writing the number. First number is 4340, 2560, 2540. What should be subtracted from the sum of these number to get 6000? Okay. First we will solve this. First we will add this number. So what should be subtracted from the sum of these three numbers? So first we will find the sum of these three numbers. 0, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 4, carry 1, 5 plus 5, 10, 14, 4, carry 1, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. So what should be subtracted from the sum of these numbers to get 6000? So we have to get 6000. So this number is greater. So we will write this number. Then we will subtract 6000. 0, 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. So what should be subtracted? 3440 should be subtracted from this number to get 6000. Should be subtracted to get 6,000. Okay. Now moving on to question number 4. What is our question number 4? Question number 4 is 9,740 person visited a trade fair on 3 days. Okay. How many persons visited? Number of persons is equals to 9,740. Okay. In 3 days. If 2,540 and 3,560 person visited on first 2 days respectively, how many person visited the fair on the third day? Total this much person visited the fair. Okay. So number of person visited in first day. How many person? Number of person visited in first day. How many person visited? 2,540. And number of person visited in second day. How many person visited in second day? In second day 3,560. So what you have to find it out, number of person visited in third day. How many person visited the fair on third day? This is we have to find it out. So how we will find? This is the total number of person. If we will add these two number and subtract from this number, we got our answer. Okay. So first we will add 2,540 plus 3,560. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 6 is 10. 0 carry 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry 1. 6. 6,100. And total people were 9,740 minus 6,100. 0, 4, 6, 3. So how many person visited in the third day? Visited the fair in third day? 3,640. Our answer is equals to 3,640 people. Okay. With this we completed our 4th chapter. This is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.